Hi, my name is Pallavi Prasad, and for the past few months, I've been keeping you updated on all things COVID-19. But the pandemic has progressed, and with it, the world has shifted its focus from COVID-19 care to COVID-19 cure. The race to find, test, manufacture, and distribute a vaccine is in full swing and will dominate much of 2021. To stay ahead of the curve, from now on, once a week, I'll be coming to you with a newsworthy bulletin on all things vaccine. Let's begin. The biggest news, of course, is that vaccination of people against COVID-19 has officially begun. This week, the UK became the first country to approve a vaccine, Pfizer's vaccine, and a mass inoculation drive has begun with the most vulnerable at the front of the line. Of note here, for no other reason than serendipity, the first man to receive the vaccine was an 81-year-old named William Shakespeare. But things did not remain sunny for very long. Within 24 hours, UK regulators received 3 reports of adverse events. 2 people had a kind of severe allergic reaction after receiving the doses, and a 3rd person had a milder allergic reaction. All 3 had a medical history of such flare-ups. This has prompted UK regulators to issue an advisory. Those who have a history of allergic reactions to vaccines, medicines, or food should not take the Pfizer vaccine. Pfizer says not to worry. Most people without such a medical history will not face any side effects, and that the greater good outweighs a handful of hiccups, especially on such a shortened timeline. Besides, the technology the vaccine uses has been under development since 2013, when scientists first started working on an Ebola vaccine, and no serious side effects have been reported till now. You'll also recall, preliminary data from phase 3 trials showed that the vaccine was over 90% effective in generating immunity. So, the allergy advisory has been categorized as a pardonable glitch. Since then, the US, Canada, and Bahrain have also given emergency approval to Pfizer and are in different stages of beginning the vaccination process. Coming to India, 3 vaccines have applied for emergency approval. The first is Pfizer, which is in some way unexpected. Most of India's cold storage capacity is not cold enough to store Pfizer's experimental vaccine. But the pharma giant says it can also provide portable sub-zero temperature storage for its shots as a part of the deal that will, however, come at a cost. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The rules say that for a vaccine, any vaccine, to be distributed among a people, it has to be tested first because different demographics respond differently to vaccines. But Pfizer's application for emergency approval in India asks for that rule to be lifted for it, which is a big risk to take. For anything to happen though, Pfizer has to attend its application review meeting with the Drug Controller General of India, which it did not show up for on Wednesday. The second vaccine up for approval is Covishield. It's being developed by researchers at Oxford University back in the UK and manufactured and tested in India by Pune-based Serum Institute. This vaccine has been India's best shot since day one. It uses familiar technology, it's affordable, and it's being manufactured locally. Serum Institute, which is one of the largest vaccine manufacturers in the world, will also be producing doses for low-income South Asian countries, which is extra street cred for India. But Covishield's road to emergency approval has been a bumpy one. First, Serum Institute's application for emergency approval has been put on hold till it provides more data from its clinical trials to support its application. An expert committee advising the DGCI has also flagged several concerns, including the fact that the vaccine hasn't even been approved back in its home country, UK. But Serum Institute has gone right ahead. It has submitted an application based on incomplete data from its own trials and confusing efficacy data from international trials. The drug controller has also asked Serum Institute to submit its causal analysis of the serious side effects reported by a Chennai volunteer in phase 3 trials. so the approval might not come as quickly and as easily as Serum Institute would have liked. Reports suggest that India might wait for the UK to greenlight the vaccine first. The third vaccine up for emergency approval was Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, which it's developing with the Indian Council of Medical Research. I say was because its application has been sent back on the grounds that data from only phase 1 and 2 were provided. Bharat Biotech has been asked to come back when they have solid phase 3 data. I've kept you for long enough, so I'll end here for today. Each week, I'll focus on a vaccine-related, newsworthy perspective or update, so make sure you hit that follow or subscribe button. If you like the sound of what you just heard, do like and share this video. We cherish every boost. Thanks for your time. I'll see you soon.